This 2023 OPUS OP4 is a pop-up RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Opus is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.